We're going to look at how to make a word spot activity using some text from The Sandcastle, which is one of the books in Serial Mash in the Key Stage 1 area. This is the finished article, and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, today we're going to look at making a word spot activity. So if you want to make your own grammar and punctuation resources, then head to the tools area, and the app that you're looking for is called Text Toolkit. So you can see it there under English ABC written on it. And word spot is the one I'm going to look at today. So there's the word spot activity there. I'm not going to set it as a do, I'm going to launch it so I can make my own. So this default one has given me the option for nouns and verbs and adjectives, but if I wanted to have different word types, then I can add different word types if I wanted to. So I don't have to just to have these. I could have just nouns if I wanted to, or just verbs. Because you see here, if I didn't want adjectives, I could just take adjectives off and they'd be gone. Or if I wanted it back, I could click it there. And I can add my own as well. Okay. So, first of all, you can put your text into this area. Now, I'm going to use some text from one of the Serial Mash books. I'm going to use this piece of text here. Just going to copy that. Going to paste it in here. Okay. Get rid of that number. Right. Now, I could sort the words out into nouns, adjectives and verbs, but there is actually a guess, which is not too bad, might speed things up for you. And you can see it's sorted adjectives. That's pretty accurate, actually. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Great. So that's absolutely fine. And I can also put pictures in here as well if I wanted to. So if I click on the intro screen, I could change the instructions. And if I wanted to, I could add speech support in here too by just clicking add a voiceover, and I could read the instructions to them. I want to change the colours of these, so I want to make it a little bit more sandy. There we go. I might want to add a graphic to here as well, so if I click on the choose background, I can select a background image. Now, I've actually used the snipping tool in Windows, and I have already snipped one and saved it. Make it a lot easier to move through there. Maybe a bit like that. Might look good. And I could apply that to all levels if I wanted to. And OK. And then if I wanted to do another level, I can click on the next level, and then I could put some more text in and create the next level and the next level if I wanted to, and it would move from one to the other. Okay, if you want to see what that looks like, and play it, you just click the play button. And here they can drag and drop, so they can start with the gatehouse and the moat and the keep and the motte. And you can see the time's going down quite quickly there, so I could stop it, and on the timer here I could increase the time limit that they've got to do it. When I'm happy with it, I can just save it and call it Castle Word Spot. Okay, and then once it's saved, if I wanted to, I can click the share button now and set that as a to-do for my class in the usual way. Give it a title and description, give them some audio instructions, and off I go. Hope you found that useful. You could make endless amounts of your own word spot games, but there are other resources and activities that you can make within Text Toolkit. We've just looked at word spot today, and we'll look at some of the others in the future.